It's 2025 and there's no better time for you to finally start making money online. And today we're diving into the future of side hustles. In 2025, it's not going to be about outdated gigs or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building something real, something sustainable, something that generates passive residual income every month for years to come. That's where the digital real estate rank and rent business model comes in. But it has nothing to do with real estate. We're talking about building, ranking and renting out digital assets, websites to local businesses that desperately need not only a website, but the leads and sales that a proper website can generate. Unveiling digital real estate. Think of it like this. You're not just building websites, you're building digital storefronts for businesses. These businesses then pay you a monthly rent for these online properties, creating a steady stream of passive income. No more trading time for money. This is about creating assets that work for you even while you sleep. That's the power of digital real estate, and it's a game changer for side hustlers looking to achieve financial freedom. If you want to know how I can teach you to master the digital real estate business model, put "how" in the comments and I'll send you a link where you can watch a short video and book a call with me to answer any questions you have. Do it now, don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard about making money online with master resale rights courses. How is digital real estate rank and rent any different? That's a great question. And the answer is simple: control and sustainability. See, with master resale rights, you're essentially selling someone else's product. And every time you make a sale to someone who is going to sell the course to someone who is going to sell the course, all you're doing is creating more competition for yourself. Digital real estate, on the other hand, puts you in the driver's seat. Think about it. With master resale rights, you're constantly hustling every day to find new customers for the same product. So when you are sold on a system that will supposedly give you your time back. But in reality, it does just the opposite. It's a treadmill of sales pitches and affiliate links, and there's no guarantee of long-term success. Plus, the market for these courses can be incredibly oversaturated. Digital real estate, on the other hand, is about building something valuable, something that businesses are actively seeking out. Building and renting it once, and it pays you automatically every month from then on. Another major drawback of master resale rights is the lack of tangible assets. You're essentially selling digital products that can be easily replicated and shared. With digital real estate, you're building real assets, websites that have real value in the marketplace. These websites can be rented out month after month, year after year, creating a reliable source of passive income that grows over time. It's like owning rental properties in the real world, except you're dealing with digital storefronts instead of physical buildings. So if you're serious about building a sustainable side hustle that has the potential to replace your day job, digital real estate is the way to go. If you're ready to jump into an exciting online business with zero startup costs, comment "how" and I'll send you a link where you can watch a short video that explains the process, and you can book a call with me to answer any questions you have. Do it now, don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. And don't forget to like and save this video and subscribe to my channel for updates. Now, let's break down exactly how this rank and rent model works. It's a simple 4-step process we developed that anyone can learn, build, rank, price the right way, and rent. First, you identify a niche or local market with high demand for online visibility. Our course teaches you to do this. This could be anything from plumbers and electricians to restaurants and hair salons. The key is to find businesses that are actively seeking customers online, but may not have the resources or expertise to build their own websites. Now, you might be thinking, why would local businesses pay me to rent a website when they could just build their own? And that's a valid question, but here's the thing. Building and maintaining a website that ranks well in search results takes time, effort, and expertise. Many small business owners simply don't have the bandwidth or know how to handle this themselves. They're busy running their businesses, dealing with customers, and managing their day-to-day operations. That's where you come in. Section 3. Building high-quality websites. Remember, you're not just throwing together any old website. These websites need to be high-quality, professional, and tailored to the specific needs of each business. This means understanding their target audience, highlighting their unique selling propositions, and creating a website that reflects their brand identity. By providing this level of service, you're not just renting out websites, you're building long-term partnerships with local businesses, and as your reputation grows, so too will your income potential. Our course teaches you everything you need to be a successful digital landlord. If you want to get a behind the scenes, look at what's in our course, comment how, and I'll send you a link to a video that has a breakdown of our rank and rent course. Section 1, the power of leads. Now let's talk about how digital real estate, specifically the rank and rent model, can be a game changer for small business owners. It all boils down to one crucial element: leads. In the business world, leads are everything. For small businesses, especially those operating locally, generating a steady stream of quality leads is the lifeblood of their operations. What's even better than just generating leads is generating high-quality leads that are custom to that specific business. These are potential customers who are not only interested but also a good fit for the business. They're more likely to convert into paying customers, leading to increased sales and revenue. By targeting specific niches and local markets, businesses can attract highly qualified leads, actively searching for their specific offerings. This targeted approach is what sets digital real estate apart from traditional advertising methods. For small business owners, having a predictable and reliable source of leads is crucial for growth. It allows them to plan for the future, invest in their business, and scale their operations with confidence. Digital real estate provides that much-needed stability by providing a consistent stream of qualified leads. This allows businesses to break free from the feast or famine cycle and focus on building a sustainable and profitable enterprise. Imagine a small restaurant owner who's always stressed about attracting enough customers to cover their expenses. Our course will teach you how to become long-term partners in their growth, and they are more than happy to pay you every month for your service that helps their business grow. You're probably thinking, this all sounds amazing, but how can I actually learn how to do this? Well, that's where our comprehensive rank and rent course comes in. This course is designed to take you from complete beginner to confident digital real estate entrepreneur. We'll guide you step by step through the entire process, from identifying profitable niches to building high-converting websites to securing lucrative rental agreements. We've taken everything we've learned from years of experience in the digital marketing world and condensed it into an easy-to-follow curriculum that anyone can understand, even if you're not a tech person. We'll provide you with all the tools, resources, and support you need to succeed in this exciting and rapidly growing industry. Our rank and rent course is not just some generic online program filled with fluff and empty promises. It's a meticulously crafted learning experience designed to equip you with practical skills and actionable strategies taught by a digital marketing agency CEO with more than 20 years of corporate marketing and sales management experience, who is now considered as an expert in the rank and rent space. We'll start by laying a solid foundation, covering the fundamentals of digital real estate, including keyword research and keyword research tools, niche research, market research, website creation, and search engine optimization, SEO. We'll then delve deeper into advanced strategies for ranking websites, pricing them the right way, driving traffic, and converting visitors into paying customers. This comprehensive approach ensures that you're not just learning theory, but gaining the practical skills and confidence needed to build a successful and sustainable digital real estate business. Section 3, building your skill set. By the end of this course, you'll possess a valuable and in-demand skill set that opens doors to new income streams and opportunities. You'll be able to build professional websites that attract customers, optimize them for search engines to dominate local rankings, and confidently approach businesses with a service they desperately need. These skills are not just limited to the world of digital real estate. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, grow an existing business, or simply expand your skill set, our rank and rent course provides the knowledge and resources to make it happen. Section 1, mastering essential skills. Now let's dive into the specific skills you'll gain from our rank and rent course. These are highly sought-after skills in today's digital landscape, And mastering them will not only equip you for success in digital real estate, but also open doors to various other online opportunities. First and foremost, you'll become proficient in niche and market research. This is the foundation of any successful digital real estate venture. Section 2. The art of niche and market research. Once you've identified a promising niche and market, you'll learn the art of website creation and optimization. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding whiz to build stunning and effective websites. We'll guide you through the process of using user-friendly website builders, selecting appropriate templates, and customizing them to reflect the unique brand identity of each business you work with. Or you can just use our AI web builder and let it do the work for you. But it's not just about creating a pretty website. Section 3. Website creation and optimization. Beyond the technical skills, you'll also gain valuable insights into content marketing. Content is king in the online world, and will teach you how to create compelling, informative, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience and drives traffic to your websites. This includes crafting attention-grabbing headlines, writing persuasive copy, incorporating relevant keywords naturally, and optimizing content for different platforms and formats. You'll learn how to tailor your content to the specific needs and interests of your target audience, establish yourself as an authority in your niche, and ultimately convert website visitors into loyal customers. Section 1. No experience, no problem. Now, you might be thinking this all sounds incredible, but I have no experience in digital marketing, website creation, or anything tech-related. Can I really do this? And my answer is a resounding yes. You absolutely do not need any prior experience or technical skills to thrive in the world of digital real estate. Our Rank and Rent course is designed with beginners in mind. We start with the fundamentals, breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language and providing step-by-step guidance every step of the way. We'll walk you through the entire process, from setting up your first website to optimizing it for search engines to securing your first rental agreement. You don't need to be a tech whiz or a coding expert. We'll provide you with all the tools and resources you need to succeed, even if you're starting from scratch. Section 2. Leveling the playing field. Digital real estate levels the playing field. Everyone has an equal opportunity to succeed. No fancy office or huge budget needed, just a willingness to learn and work hard. Our course empowers everyone to succeed. Students from all backgrounds achieve results, break free, and embrace digital entrepreneurship. Leave a comment if you have questions. Subscribe for more tips and stories. Or comment how to get started, and I'll send you a link to get more information. Now, you might be wondering what makes this course different from all the other digital real estate courses out there. That's a fair question, and here's the key difference. Our course is not built on theory or speculation. It's a blueprint for success, meticulously crafted from our own real-world experiences and proven strategies that have generated consistent, substantial income. We're not just teaching you what we've read in a book or heard from someone else. We're sharing the exact steps we've taken, the mistakes we've learned from, and the strategies that have allowed us to build a thriving digital real estate portfolio. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or a magic bullet solution. It's about following a proven system, putting in the work, and reaping the rewards of building a sustainable online business. We've taken the guesswork out of digital real estate by providing you with a clear roadmap to success. Our step-by-step approach ensures you're never lost or overwhelmed. From identifying profitable niches to optimizing websites and crafting persuasive pitches, we've got you covered. We'll share real-life case studies showcasing incredible results. Hear firsthand from individuals generating significant passive income. These stories will ignite your motivation. Leave a comment below and subscribe for more content. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, income potential. With digital real estate Rank and Rent, the earning possibilities are truly limitless. Remember, we're not talking about making a few extra bucks here and there. We're talking about building a sustainable business that generates significant passive income month after month. Think about it. You're essentially creating digital assets, websites, that function as online storefronts for local businesses. These businesses are willing to pay a premium for a high-quality website that attracts customers and generates leads. And the best part, once you've ranked a website and secured a rental agreement, that income becomes passive. This means you're earning money even while you sleep, travel, or focus on other aspects of your life. It's the ultimate form of financial freedom, creating assets that work for you even when you're not actively working on them. Now, let's get specific. How much can you realistically expect to earn with digital real estate rank and rent? The beauty of this model is that it's highly scalable. Start small, renting 1 or 2 websites, and build your portfolio. Many students start with a few $100s a month. As they gain experience, they scale to thousands per month. Imagine a portfolio of 10, 20, or 50 websites. Digital real estate leverages your time for a scalable business. There's no limit to your earning potential. The more websites you rank and rent, the higher your income. Share your income goals below. Subscribe for more tips on financial abundance. Starting a business often means worrying about initial investments and overhead costs, but with digital real estate rank and rent, there are virtually zero startup costs. You can launch this business with little to no upfront investment. Rent out websites, not build them from scratch. Start generating income immediately without any upfront costs. So, there you have it. Digital real estate rank and rent, the ultimate side hustle for 2025 and beyond. It's a business model that's accessible to anyone, regardless of experience or technical skills. It offers unlimited income potential, the flexibility to work from anywhere, and the satisfaction of building a sustainable business that generates passive income. The choice is yours. You can stay stuck in the 9-to-5 grind, trading your time for money, or you can take control of your financial future and embrace the world of digital entrepreneurship. If you're ready to take the leap, our Rank and Rent course is the perfect place to start. We'll provide you with everything you need to succeed, from step-by-step guidance to proven strategies to ongoing support. Don't wait another day to start building the life you deserve. Leave a comment below if you're ready to join us on this exciting journey, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights and inspiration. Your digital real estate empire awaits.